Hello everyone and welcome back to Simplilearn. Cybersecurity is no longer just an IT department problem. In 2026, every company from banks to hospitals to startups and even government organizations needs people who can protect data systems, networks, cloud platforms and even AI tools from cyber threats. And the demand is only getting bigger. Cyber attacks are becoming more advanced, businesses are moving faster into cloud and AI, and there is still a huge shortage of skilled cybersecurity professionals across the world. But here's where most learners get confused. Should you start with ethical hacking, cloud security, CompTIA Security Plus, CISSP, or an AI-powered cybersecurity program? This is exactly what we'll be simplifying in today's video. We are going to look at the top 5 cybersecurity courses that can help you build the right skills, prepare for industry-recognized certifications, and move closer to the career in one of the most important tech fields of 2026. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1 is the IITM Pravartak Technologies Foundation AI-powered Cybersecurity Mastery. If you want hands-on university-backed curriculum, this is it. This course runs for 6 months and requires about 6 to 9 hours of your time each week. It is heavily focused on integrating AI into cybersecurity, teaching you how to build intelligent and adaptive security solutions. You aren't just watching videos here, you are doing the work. You will tackle over 70 exercises, 15 real-world case studies, and 3 industry-relevant capstone projects. You'll also get hands-on experience with over 15 leading industry tools including Nessus, Nmap, Shodan, and also Metasploit. Plus, you'll get an incredible networking opportunity, a 2-day campus immersion at IIT Madras Research Park. To top it all off, you'll also get access to the Microsoft Learn portal to earn official badges for SC900 and AI900. It's an incredible entry point for future-proofing your skill set. The course is best for students, fresh graduates, and early career professionals who want to enter cybersecurity with hands-on exposure to AI, ethical hacking, and security tools. Coming at number 2 is the IIT Bangalore AI-powered Advanced Executive Program in Cybersecurity. This one is slightly longer, clocking in at 8 months with an 8 to 10 hours weekly commitment, but it is built specifically for aspiring executives and senior leaders. This curriculum is an absolute powerhouse. It is featured over 100 guided assignments in cyber AI and more than 30 real-world case studies sourced from top global MNCs. You'll be mastering both offensive and defensive tactics using over 30 cutting-edge AI and cyber tools. What makes this course stand out is the Elite Dual Partnership. You get an academic rigor with a certificate and transcript directly from IIT Bangalore alongside industry training with access to official Microsoft Learn Cloud security content. You will even receive a CEH V13 AI training with the ECCouncil, preparing you for one of the most respected ethical hacking exams out there. This course is best for students, fresh graduates, and early career professionals who want to enter cybersecurity with hands-on exposure to AI, ethical hacking, and security tools. Next up at number 3 is our holy grail for seasoned professionals, the ISC2 official training partner CISSP Certification Training. Let me be clear. This is not for beginners. You need a minimum of 5 years cumulative full-time work experience across the CISSP domains to qualify for the full certification. The CISSP is considered the gold standard because it proves you have both deep technical and managerial competency to design and manage an enterprise-wide security program. This specific training program includes 5 sample papers, each packed with 150 questions and simulate tests to make sure you're 100% exam ready. Passing this exam meets the high strict US Department of Defense 8570.1 requirements. The payoff? It is massive. IT directors and managers with a CISSP certification pull in an average salary of $1,65,000 a year. This is the course you will take when you're ready to move into the C-suite. This course is best for experienced cybersecurity professionals, security managers, IT leaders, and also professionals aiming for senior security or leadership roles. At number 4, we have the perfect starting point if you're looking to break into the industry. The CompTIA Security Plus SY0701 Certification. Unlike the CISSP, the Security Plus has no formal prerequisites, making it a highly accessible entry point for anyone pivoting into IT security. It is a globally trusted, vendor-neutral certification, meaning the skills you learn to apply to any hardware or software platform. The curriculum focuses heavily on 5 core domains, covering everything from basic architecture and design to modern threats, vulnerabilities, and incident response. To get certified, you will need to pass a 90-minute exam featuring a maximum of 90 questions. It's a fantastic stepping stone, and even at its foundation level, security specialists and administrators with the CompTIA Security Plus certification earn an average over $86,000 a year. This certification is best for beginners, students, freshers, and professionals from the IT or even non-cybersecurity backgrounds who want a strong entry point into the cybersecurity. Finally, rounding out our top 5 is the Simplilearn AI Integrated Cybersecurity Experts Masters Program. Think of this as an ultimate cybersecurity bootcamp. This is a fast-paced 4-month intensive learning track that actually prepares you for the several top certifications at once, including the CEH, CompTIA Security Plus, and the CISSP. You will get access to the official ECCouncil kit, which includes the CEH V13 AI labs and an exam voucher. To guarantee you are ready to pass these exams, the course provided over 7 simulation tests and more than 1,000 certification practice questions. To guarantee you are ready to pass these exams, the course provided over 7 simulation tests and more than 1,000 certification practice questions. You will master over 21 skills from network packets analytics and behavior analytics to AI-assisted penetration testing. If you want a single comprehensive program that throws you right into the deep end of AI and security, this is the one. This program is best for learners who want to complete cybersecurity career path covering ethical hacking, CompTIA Security Plus, CISSP preparation, AI-assisted security, and hands-on tools. So these were the top 5 cybersecurity courses you can consider if you want to start or grow in your career in cybersecurity in 2026. The key is to choose the course based on where you are right now. If you are a beginner, a certification like CompTIA Security Plus can help you build strong fundamentals. If you already have experience and want to move into leadership, CISSP can be the powerful choice. And if you want to stay ahead of the next wave, then programs focused on AI-powered cybersecurity, ethical hacking, cloud security, and threat detection can give you a serious advantage. Cybersecurity is not just about learning tools. It is about thinking like an attacker, responding like a defender, and protecting organization before even damage happens. You can find the links to all the courses in the description box below. Tell us in the comments which cybersecurity course would you choose for your career. Like this video, subscribe to Simplilearn, and I'll see you in the next one.